Hey guys, my name is Chance Alfer, and I want to thank you for coming to our website today. So I named the company Legacy Built Remodeling, and the reason for that is I come from a third generation of builders. I think the best way to make you guys comfortable with our company is just to show you some of our work. So this first project here in East Nashville in Lachlan Springs, this is one of our more extensive projects where this was a 1952 house that needed a complete renovation. We basically took it down to the original studs and did a complete modernization of the home. So in this project, we had to work closely with the Historical Planning Commission. We wanted to add natural light, but they have restrictions on window sizes and how many you can have. So one of the challenges of this home was that the interior was extremely choppy. So when we gutted everything to the studs, we had to work with our architects and structural engineers to open the home up, which we will help you and walk you through every process of this. We got this project done for our clients in 6 months. So moving on to a different type of project, which has now become a very popular project for our remodeling company, converting attic spaces to usable space. So this particular client wanted to add on to their bonus room upstairs and wanted a golf simulator. And keep in mind, you would never know this remodel was not part of the original home. So when he goes to market this house to resell it, now he has an extra 300 square feet for the sale.
We wanted to renovate a home and turn it into something special, and we had a vision. He was the one that helped me execute. I have pretty high standards and I expect a lot in a short amount of time, and Chance is the only one that was willing to take on that job. Above and beyond expectations, did it inside the timeline and beat the budget.
And another great thing about these attic remodels, they can be done in just a few weeks. So moving on to a different scope of work that we complete, outdoor living areas, which are very popular. This particular project, the homeowner had an existing slab, but wanted a covered area where they could enjoy year-round. So we worked with them on creating an outdoor space that was budget-friendly for them and added value to their home. So we did a covered back porch with lighting, fans, and we currently use pressure treated so that later on that they can stain it or paint it at any time they want. So keep in mind, when we do these type of projects, we try to make them look like they're part of the original home, so that later on down the road, when you sell your home, you maximize your value. So when this is painted white or stained, it'll blend seamlessly to the original part of the house. Lastly, I want to tell you guys about a different part of our remodeling business, and that's the insurance remodeling. This specific house, they were extremely lucky.
Had this tornado, straight line winds, we're not sure which it was, about 2 weeks ago, Saturday, come through about 5:15. We were huddled in the shower, and in about 5 or 10 minutes it came through, and it knocked out 2 of our big trees. You can see it hit the house here and hit the house over here. Fortunately, we were okay.
This situation is very nerve-wracking for the homeowners. We received the call, told them that we would take care of it, it would be okay. The very next day, we had our tree guys out here, chop the trees off, crane them off the house, and then we kind of explained to them the process of how this was going to handle. The homeowner at this property had Liberty Mutual, so I was working hand in hand with their claims adjusters on scheduling a time to meet them on site to come out and evaluate the damage. We're very familiar with this process. We've worked with insurance companies for years. I know it can seem overwhelming to you as a homeowner, but us as professionals, we're here on your side to help you through the problem. When you're ready to do your remodel, give us a call or fill the form out below, and we'd love to meet with you to discuss your project.